and this video tutorial will cover how to use the selector function of the Flic Twist. With this unique feature, you'll be able to temporarily reconfigure the twist to become up to 11 different twists, simply by using the push and twist function. If you haven't already connected your Flic Twist to a Flic hub, make sure to watch our tutorial how to set up a hub with a twist. Once your twist is connected, choose it from the Flic app and select the push and twist function by pressing the respective plus icon. Choose the selector option, which is located underneath the advanced submenu. Here you'll find two options, basic and advanced. With basic, you can control up to 3 twists, while the advanced option allows you to control up to 11 twists. You can switch between them by swiping the bar. Let's look at an example. We will start with the default configuration. Let's say that the default configuration of your twist is controlling your Sonos speakers. Push to start your favorite playlist, double push to skip a song, and twist to control the volume, while finally push and twist, activating the trigger of the selector mode. In order to configure the selector mode, select the push and twist option by pressing the respective plus icon. Select the selector option, which is located underneath the advanced submenu. For the basic mode, there'll be 3 points available to customize, the 3 o'clock, 6, and 9 o'clock mark. In each mode, you can choose to customize 3 actions, the twist, push, and double push. You can select between smart dimming or advanced dimming actions, where for the advanced mode, swipe the bar to see 11 points representing 11 different twists instead of the 3. Let's look at another example. This time we'll configure the lights of our home with the basic mode. In our case, using the Philips Hue lights. Once you're in the selector menu configuration, press the basic mode and then the 3 o'clock point. Press the plus symbol on the right hand side of the screen and then select the brightness option to control the brightness levels of the Philips Hue lights. Select Philips Hue by pressing the setup button on the right hand side, and then follow the instructions on screen to set up your lights. Once connected, select the light you wish to control, press done, and you can now adjust brightness by using the twist function on the selector mode. Next, we will configure an additional twist with the advanced mode. Follow the same procedure to customize the actions you want your twist to perform, for example, controlling the blinds of your bedroom. Please note that after 5 seconds of inactivity, your Flic Twist functionality will return to the default configuration. We highly recommend placing stickers adjacent to each mode to ensure that all family members can easily identify the designated functions.